Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy to see you here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very special video for you.
Today, we are going to learn real English. Not formal textbook English, but real native English expressions that people use every day.
That is right, Alice. Many English learners study grammar for years. They learn long, formal sentences from books.
Exactly. But when they listen to native speakers in movies or on the street, they get confused. They think, what does that mean? I never learned this in school.
Yes, exactly. Native speakers use short, simple expressions every day. Today, we will teach you these secret expressions step by step.
Everything today will be very slow, very simple, and very easy to follow. You can listen while you cook, drive, study, or just relax at home.
If you want to improve your listening and speaking skills, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. It helps us make more friendly lessons for you every week.
Now, sit back, relax, take a deep breath, and let us start our conversation.
David, let us begin with the first expression. When native English speakers greet each other, what do they usually say?
Well, in textbooks, students learn to say, "How are you today?"
Yes, how are you today? That is fine, but native speakers often say, what's up?
That is right. What's up? Repeat after me. What's up?
What's up? It sounds so friendly and casual. But David, what does what's up actually mean? Does it mean looking up at the sky?
No, Alice, it does not mean looking at the sky or pointing at the ceiling. What's up simply means how are you or what is happening right now.
Ah, I see. So if someone asks me, what's up, Alice? What should I answer?
You can say not much or just relaxing. Let us repeat that together slowly. Not much.
Not much. Or just relaxing.
Excellent. Let us practice a small dialogue. Hey Alice, what's up?
Not much, David. Just learning English with our wonderful friends today.
That is perfect. See how natural that sounds? What's up is a great way to start a quick chat with a friend.
Okay, let us move to the next native expression. David, what do native speakers say when they agree to do an activity together?
Ah, in school, students learn, "Yes, I would like to go with you." But native speakers often say, "I'm down."
I'm down? Wait, David, down means on the floor or looking down, right? Why do people say, I'm down?
It sounds funny, doesn't it? But "I'm down" means I agree or I am interested in joining you.
Wow, that is so simple. Let us repeat this phrase slowly. I'm down.
I'm down.
Another similar phrase native speakers use is I'm game.
Yes, I'm game. It means the exact same thing as I'm down. It means, yes, I want to do that.
Let us repeat that phrase too. I'm game.
I'm game.
So David, let us give our listeners an example from daily life. If I ask you, David, do you want to drink coffee with me later?
I can say, "Sure, Alice, I'm down." Or, "Yes, I'm game."
That is so cool. So if a friend asks you to go to the park, watch a movie, or eat dinner, you can just say, I'm down.
Exactly. Simple, fast, and very natural.
David, what about when someone makes a small mistake? In school, people learn to say, I am very sorry, it was my error.
Right, but native English speakers rarely say all that in casual life. Instead, they say, "My bad."
My bad?
Yes, my bad. Repeat after me. My bad.
My bad. That is so short.
It is. My bad means I am sorry, that was my mistake. But it is used for small, simple things.
Like if I drop a pencil by mistake?
Yes, if you drop a pencil, step on someone's shoe, or call someone by the wrong name, you can just smile and say, "Oops, my bad."
Oops, my bad. I like that. It takes away the stress of making a mistake.
Exactly. Remember, dear learners, making mistakes is a normal part of learning English. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just say, "My bad," and keep practicing.
That is great advice, David. Now, let us teach our listeners another popular expression. What do native speakers say when something is very easy to do?
In books, people say, "This task is very easy." But native speakers say, "It's a piece of cake."
A piece of cake. Cake sounds delicious right now.
Yes, cake is tasty. But here, a piece of cake means something is super easy to finish.
Let us repeat this expression slowly and clearly. It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
For example, learning English step by step with David and Alice is a piece of cake.
Thank you, Alice. Yes, taking small steps every day makes learning English a piece of cake.
David, what if someone asks you to contact them later? What phrase do native speakers use instead of, "Please call me on the telephone"?
They often say, "Hit me up."
Hit me up? That sounds like hitting someone with a hand.
Don't worry, nobody is hitting anyone. Hit me up simply means contact me, send me a text message, or give me a call.
Let us repeat this phrase slowly. Hit me up.
Hit me up.
So if I want David to send me a text message tonight, I can say, "David, hit me up tonight."
Yes, or you can say, "Hit me up when you arrive home safely." It is very common among friends.
That is very useful. Hit me up. I will definitely use that today.
Let us check another expression. Alice, how do you say you are feeling a little sick but not very sick?
In textbooks, we learn, "I am slightly ill today."
Yes, but native English speakers almost always say, "I'm under the weather."
Under the weather. That is such a nice expression. Let us repeat it together slowly. I'm under the weather.
I'm under the weather.
So if you have a light cold or a mild headache, you can tell your friends, "I cannot go to the party today. I'm feeling under the weather."
Exactly. It sounds very natural, gentle, and polite.
Let us pause for a second and check on our listeners.
Good idea. Listener, are you following along? Are these sentences clear and easy for you?
Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. You are doing a fantastic job listening today.
Now let us ask a quick practice question for our listeners to think about.
Here is the question. If a friend asks you to watch a new movie and you want to say, "Yes, I am interested in going," which native phrase can you use?
Is it A, "I'm under the weather," or B, "I'm down"?
Think for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
If you picked B, "I'm down," you are correct. Excellent job.
Great work, everyone. Let us keep going. We have many more native expressions to share with you today.
Alice, what expression do native speakers use when they want to relax or meet a friend they have not seen in a long time?
Oh, native speakers say, "Let's catch up."
Yes, catch up. Let us repeat that phrase together. Catch up.
Catch up.
Catch up means to talk with a friend and share recent news about your lives after some time apart.
For example, "Hey Alice, we haven't seen each other in 2 weeks. Let's drink coffee and catch up."
That is a wonderful example. Let's catch up is one of the most common phrases in daily English conversation.
What about when you are very tired at work and want to finish working for the day, David?
In a business textbook, you might hear, "Let us stop working now." But in real life, native speakers say, "Let's call it a day."
Let's call it a day. That is a great phrase. Let us repeat it slowly. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
So if you are studying English for 30 minutes and you finish your lesson, you can smile and say, "Okay, let's call it a day."
Exactly. It means work is finished for now, and it is time to rest.
What if someone is about to take an exam, go to a job interview, or perform on stage? What do native speakers tell them for good luck?
They do not always say, "Good luck." Instead, native speakers frequently say, "Break a leg."
Break a leg? Why would someone want a friend to break their leg? That sounds painful.
It sounds crazy, doesn't it? But break a leg is an old idiom that actually means good luck or do a great job.
Ah, okay. So nobody is breaking any bones. Let us repeat this phrase clearly. Break a leg.
Break a leg.
So before your friend goes to an interview, you can say, "You will do great. Break a leg."
Yes, exactly. It is a fun and friendly way to wish someone success.
David, what about when we want to express our honest opinion in a gentle way?
People often say, "To be honest."
To be honest. Native speakers use this phrase all the time at the beginning of a sentence.
Yes, native speakers also use the abbreviation TBH when texting. But when speaking, they say, "To be honest."
Let us repeat it together slowly. To be honest.
To be honest.
For example, to be honest, I was a little tired this morning, but speaking with you gave me energy.
Wow, that is so kind, Alice. And it is a very natural way to use "to be honest."
David, what expression do people use when something is not a big problem?
They say, "No biggie," or "No worries."
No biggie. That sounds so cute and informal. Let us repeat it. No biggie.
No biggie.
No biggie is short for it is no big deal. If someone says, "Thank you," or "Sorry I am 5 minutes late," you can answer, "No biggie."
Yes, no biggie or no worries tells the other person that everything is fine and there is no stress.
I love that. No biggie.
What about when you want someone to reveal a secret or tell you news?
Ah, native speakers say, "Spill the beans."
Yes, spill the beans. Repeat after me. Spill the beans.
Spill the beans.
If your friend has secret news about a new job or a new relationship, you can say, "Come on, spill the beans. Tell me everything."
That is so fun to say. Spill the beans.
What about when something sounds familiar, but you cannot remember all the details?
Native speakers say, "That rings a bell."
Yes, rings a bell. Let us repeat that slowly. That rings a bell.
That rings a bell.
If someone mentions a name of a person or a town and you think you have heard it before, you can say, that name rings a bell.
That means it sounds familiar.
Exactly. It rings a bell in your mind.
Now, let us do another quick practice question for our friends listening at home.
Are you ready? Listen carefully.
If you drop your key on the floor by mistake, what can you say casually to your friend?
Is it A, my bad, or B, break a leg?
Think for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
The correct answer is A, my bad.
Excellent job. If you answered, "My bad," you are learning very fast.
Let us review all the wonderful expressions we covered today so they stay in your memory. Repetition is the key to mastering English.
That is right. Let us repeat each phrase slowly and clearly together. I will say it first, and David will repeat it. Then you repeat it out loud or in your mind. Expression number 1. What's up?
What's up?
Expression number 2. I'm down.
I'm down.
Expression number 3. My bad.
My bad.
Expression number 4. It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
Expression number 5. Hit me up.
Hit me up.
Expression number 6. I'm under the weather.
I'm under the weather.
Expression number 7. Let's catch up.
Let's catch up.
Expression number 8. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
Expression number 9. Break a leg.
Break a leg.
Expression number 10. No biggie.
No biggie.
Expression number 11. Spill the beans.
Spill the beans.
Expression number 12. That rings a bell.
That rings a bell.
Wow, David! That was 12 native English expressions that native speakers use every single day.
Yes, if our listeners practice these 12 expressions, their English will instantly sound more natural and fluent.
Remember, learners, do not worry about being perfect. Just practice a little bit every day.
Listening to clear, slow English every day will help your brain understand automatically. You are doing awesome.
Now, we have a question for you, our amazing listeners.
We want to connect with you. Please write a comment below this video.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite native expression from today's video? Or, what is your favorite meal to eat while listening to us?
Yes, tell us in the comments. We love reading all your friendly messages.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Until next time, keep practicing, stay happy, and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye-bye.